Hey everyone, Lee, Okanagan Sawmill. Another beautiful day. It's still a little fresh in the mornings, but the sun is coming out, so I think it's going to be a nice day today. So I got a smaller cherry log for milling up, so I'll just show you that. So it's not too big, it's only about 4 foot long and sort of, I guess, 20 inches wide, give or take. But it's got plenty of crotch on it and everything, so stems coming out, so I think there might be quite a bit of character. So yeah, we'll get this milled up and see how it goes. But also I just wanted to say, obviously on the last video the sawmill died on me, so I'll just quickly show you roughly what the problem was. So at least what I think the problem is anyway. So you got these pillar block bearings, and they're actually mounted to this 3/4 inch thick plate. Now this plate's only 12 inches by 11 inches, so it's not very big. But it turned out that it had about 1/8 of a twist in it. Now, no idea how I missed that when building the sawmill, but because I can't believe that it actually twisted it while it was on the sawmill. But anyway, I think that was the fundamental problem. So that obviously the pillar block bearings weren't sitting true to each other. Here you go. So how much it's twisted from the new plate. So I've got all that switched out. Obviously, it's up and running. So we'll see how it goes. So fingers crossed. Yeah, it's fixed. Yeah, but I also wanted to say as well that I seem to have had a whole bunch of subscribers in the last couple of weeks, which has been pretty weird but awesome at the same time. So thanks everybody who's subscribed up to now, and yeah, if you want to leave any comments just to let me know, what you like, what you don't like, and hopefully I can improve the videos. All right, well, how's it going? Shh. Okay, well, let's get you set up and let's get sawmilling. All right, thanks. Okay, so let's have a look what we got here then. So lots of grain, whole bunch of character. This is what I was hoping for. That is beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and that's obviously the bookmap side of it. But yeah, that is pretty nice, pretty happy with that. All right, let's get the rest of that cut, eh? Okay, got that sawmilled up. Sawmill worked great, thankfully. Not surprising though, but okay, so I'll show you the slabs that we've got. Not too bad at all. Some beautiful ones here. So oh, it's a bit of a shame about the shade and everything, but yeah, just beautiful. Just, yeah, lots of characters you expect, especially in the fruit woods. So they're never very big, but no, you're not going to see that, are you? Okay. Yeah. Perfect. So we got 7 slabs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 7 slabs. So obviously this one's pretty small. It's probably gonna just end up being for charcuterie boards or whatever. But I think a couple of these will be coffee tables for sure. But really pleased with how they turn out. Relieved that the sawmill is working well again, so that's good. Perfect. All right, well, I think that's it for today. Just a quick one. Yeah, like I say, thanks again for everybody who's been subscribing. Really appreciate it. And yeah, like I said, just comment and let me know what you don't like and do like about the videos. I'm trying to improve things, and I'm just winging it at the moment. So anyway, yeah, thanks very much, and we'll catch you on the next one.